In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Shopify settings. Whether you're launching a new store or managing an established one, knowing the ins and outs of Shopify settings is essential for the smooth operation and growth of your online business. We'll cover the critical settings, where to find them, how to tweak them for optimal performance, and best practices for managing them efficiently. First things first. Let's talk about the fundamental concept of Shopify settings. Within the Shopify admin, you'll find the Settings section located in the bottom left corner of your admin dashboard. This is the command center for your store, where you manage everything structural, such as payments, shipping, taxes, policies, store identity, domain details, checkout behavior, and more. Understanding each component in this area is essential for a well-optimized store. Now, let's delve into the workflow and best practices to efficiently manage these settings. Before your store launches, it's crucial to go through a comprehensive setup checklist. Shopify provides an initial setup guide and settings checklist to ensure that you've covered the essentials, such as business information, payment systems, shipping configurations, tax details, domain setup, and store policies. This step is vital as it ensures that nothing critical is overlooked and lays a strong foundation for your store's operations. One highly recommended practice is to document your settings. It can be particularly useful to keep detailed notes or a spreadsheet of key settings like payment gateways, shipping rates, tax regulations by region, and inventory location setups. This documentation can be invaluable if you or someone else needs to revisit these settings for modifications or troubleshooting. Thorough testing is another key aspect of mastering Shopify settings. It's important to place test orders using various payment methods and addresses from different zones or markets to ensure shipping rates, taxes, and checkout processes function correctly. Test each aspect to confirm all messages and policies are displayed as intended, creating a seamless experience for your customers. Additionally, leveraging reports and analytics can provide insights into how your settings might be impacting your store's performance. For instance, if you notice a high number of abandoned carts at the checkout stage, it may be worth exploring potential improvements in your checkout settings. Similarly, if you discover shipping costs are deterring customers from completing their purchases, consider adjusting your shipping rates or packaging arrangements. Remember, settings should evolve with your business. As your store grows and expands, it's essential to keep settings updated. New regions might require additional shipping zones, and changes in product lines may necessitate updates to tax settings. If shipping providers or costs undergo changes, ensure that your shipping rates are promptly adjusted to reflect these changes. Getting familiar with the settings interface is a must. Take the time to explore each subsection thoroughly, including shipping, delivery, payments, checkout, legal aspects, and your store's domain. This knowledge will empower you to make informed adjustments whenever necessary. Lastly, practicing good security habits is crucial. Enable two-factor authentication, periodically rotate staff access, and restrict permissions where appropriate. Keep store credentials secure, and monitor store notifications routinely. By understanding and applying these practices, you'll not only master Shopify settings, but also pave the way for a store that runs efficiently, sells effectively, and scales successfully.